To use the high contrast mode on your Samsung phone, we'll first go to Settings, and then scroll down to Accessibility. From there, you'll go to Vision Enhancements, and here we actually have quite a few options for increasing contrast and making things easier to read. There's a toggle for high contrast fonts, which does increase the font contrast a little bit, but the difference is pretty minimal. You can turn on a high contrast keyboard, which will change the keyboard to black letters on yellow background. And then there's the high contrast theme options, which allows you to download a theme that changes the colors of your phone to black and yellow or black and blue. But the biggest and most powerful option is on the very top under Display Mode. You'll have your standard mode, and then there's a high contrast mode and an enlarged display option. These are basically presets that will change a handful of options at once. The high contrast option will turn on dark mode, high contrast fonts and keyboard, and it'll also reduce animations, blur, and transparency across your operating system. It's basically a one-tap solution for a bundle of different settings that help you see the contents of your screen better. The enlarged display is a similar one-tap solution that will increase font size and screen zoom. It also turns on bolder fonts and highlight buttons, and the cool thing about this is that you can add this multiple times. Each time you apply the mode, it'll make things even bigger. At some point, it'll reach a limit, but there's multiple levels you can choose from, and this can also be combined with the high contrast mode, so you'll get both the enlarged display with high contrast colors all at the same time. And of course, you can always reset back to defaults if needed. If you're looking to make things easier to see, another option you might want to check out is under the display settings. If you go to the display menu and scroll down a bit, you'll see something called Easy Mode. This is a similar one-tap solution that will make text and other elements on your screen bigger, but it'll also increase the long press delay to prevent accidental actions, and it changes your keyboard to the high contrast option. When I turn this on, you'll see how much home screen switches to a simplified look with much bigger icons. So if you're struggling to see things on a small screen, this is another great option for making the phone easier to use. Anyways, go give a try and click that like button if one of these helps you see the phone screen better. And while you're here, click that subscribe button. I post similar easy and quick tutorials almost every day. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.